Hello, good morning student. How are you? I think you are fine. Today I am taking practice set number 2.6, page number 52. So I request open your book. It is needed now. We have entered in the last content of this second chapter, quadratic equation. All the previous practice set we have done, I have taken on the board. I have explained about the practice sets, and now only one practice set remains for you, which is based on the word problem. So open the page number 52. There you will find practice set number 2.6, the word problems. I am taking here the first question to you. I will read to you. You have to check the question in your textbook. After it, I will explain everything about it. So, let us see what is the first question. In the first question, the concept is this: the product denoting the numbers of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Here, the question is based on the age of the person. Here, Pragati is the person. We don't know what is the age of Pragati today. And you know that in such case, we always take any one letter to show her present age. And you know that we always take X. Today's Pragati's age is X. We have to consider first. According to this question, two ages are inserted. First, what Pragati's age before 2 years and what Pragati's age after 3 years. So, before means difference and difference means subtraction. If we consider today's Pragati's age be X, then what will be before 2 years? Her age will be X minus 2. And what will be Pragati's age after 3 years? Can you tell me? Can you consider it? Yes, you are right. If today's age her is X, then after 3 years, her age will be X plus 3. So, two concepts are there. And the third and last condition is applied in this question, and it is the product of Pragati's before 2 years and after 3 years, which is 84. So, three concepts: before, after, and the product. So, take your pen, your notebook, just start to write and be with me. You have to write fast but in good handwriting. I will explain on the board, and as per my writing, you have to copy in your notebook. So let us start. Let Pragati's Let Pragati's present age be X. आज प्रगति X साल की है या उसकी आयु X साल है, ऐसे हम मान के जाएंगे। 2 साल पहले उसकी क्या आयु रहेगी? X minus 2 years. Her age before 2 years. Her age before 2 years equals to X minus 2 her age after 3 years is equal to X plus 3. Yes, today's age is X. Before 2 years she was X minus 2 years old, and after 3 years she will be X plus 3 years old. And one condition is applied there. The multiplication or the product of her ages is 84. So by given condition, X minus 2 X plus 3 equals to 84. The product of her ages equals to 84. Is it okay? Now, after creation, this basic equation, we need to turn it into quadratic equation. Then how can we create this equation into quadratic equation? Listen. Here 2 binomials appeared in the bracket. X plus 3. We have to do the multiplication by X to the second bracket and minus 2 to the second bracket. This step you better understand, you better know. After it, now it is time to do the multiplication by the outer number to the inner terms. X into X square plus 3X minus 2X minus 6 equals to 84. Here you are watching this step in which you are finding like terms. Can you tell me the like terms from this step? 3x minus 2x, we know these are the like terms in the form of x, and negative 6 and positive 84. Both the numbers are also are known as like terms. So here just give the slight simplification, concentrate on the like terms and do the operation between them. Like this, x square 3x minus 2x equals to x minus 6 is equal to 84. It means minus 84 equals to 0. I think you have already written some steps. I am again telling to you that you have to be with me. What I have written, you have to take fast in your notebook. So minus 6 minus 84, you know that both the numbers are in negative form, but as per rule, we have to do the addition of the numbers but in negative form. So x square minus x minus 6 minus 84 equals to minus 19 is equal to 0. Yes, here we got the perfect quadratic equation after giving the simplifying, and you know how to solve this quadratic equation. Here minus minus, it means minus plus. Bracket into bracket, bracket plus bracket, minus 19 minus 1. Then you know that 10 nines are 90, and after subtraction you get 1. So minus minus, take here minus plus. The greater number should be in negative and the smaller number should be in positive. Minus 10 plus 9, the multiplication of both the numbers equals to minus 19. Minus 10 plus 9 equals to minus 1. So go ahead, x square minus 10x plus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Underline under two terms. Take the common, x is the common. After division we get here x, positive, negative, negative, x gone, minus 10, positive 9 is the common one. So after division you get here x, positive, negative, negative, 9 tens are 90, and as usual we have to give here 0. Then you know x minus 10, the bracket x minus 10 is the common one, so I have written here for one time, and what the outer you have to insert in the second bracket is equal to 0. We give 0 to both the brackets. X minus 10 equals to 0, or x plus 9 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to 10 or x equals to minus 9. Students, I want to stop here. We got here two answers. The first one, x equals to 10. The second one, x equals to negative 9. Out of both the answers, what will be Pragati's age. We count the age of any person always in positive, not negative. So negative 9 is not considerable. We count the age of any person in positive form. So minus 9 is not acceptable. Then today's Pragati's age is 10 years. We have to insert. But x equals to minus 9 is not acceptable. Therefore, today's Pragati's age equals to 10. 10 years. Student, I think you better understand what the explanation of this question. Very simple question. Just try to understand, read more and more time in a day and get idea how the answer is explained to get the answer. How we have formed the quadratic equation. How we distribute the middle term, how we distribute the factors of the middle term, minus 10 and positive 9. And then simply we solve as per our knowledge that we have already learned positive, negative, and you know that ages are not considerable in negative form. So Pragati's today's age is 10 years. So first 2 to 3 steps you better understand to create the quadratic equation. After quadratic equation you can solve easily the given concept in the form of question. Let us see the another question. I am taking the second one. The sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Just look in your textbook. The second one from the practice set number 2.6. The sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. You know that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, like these terms are even numbers. Okay? Can you find what is the difference between two natural even numbers? Yes, you are right. 2 is the difference between two consecutive even natural numbers. But out of 10, 1 I don't know. So what will be the other? If I decide the first one is x, then the second will be x plus 2. After adding the number to next even number that I will get. you will get. So कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स मतलब एक के बाद दूसरा, बीच में कोई नहीं. अगर दो है तो दो का कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इवन नेचुरल नंबर 4 रहेगा. अगर 10 है तो 12 रहेगा. अगर 18 है तो 20 रहेगा. अगर 26 है तो 28 रहेगा. 50 है तो 52, 100 है तो 102. इसे हम कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इवन नेचुरल नंबर बोलते हैं. 100 आया, 101 तो ऑड है, 102 इवन होगा. अगर मैंने पहले इवन नेचुरल नंबर को x मान लिया तो दूसरा क्या होगा, x प्लस 2 रहेगा. बिकॉज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू इवन नेचुरल नंबर्स, consecutive even natural numbers is 2. So just take this point for the answer of the second question. Let students write fast in your notebook. Let the first even natural number be x. Its consecutive even natural number will be x plus 2. What is in the question? The sum of the squares. The sum of the squares of these two numbers equals to 244 by condition. By condition, we can say that x square, what is the square of the first even natural number? X square. Because even natural number is x, its square will be x square, and its square also x plus 2 bracket square equals to 244. Therefore x square, we have to expand x plus 2 bracket square as per rule a plus b bracket square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Like this, x square plus twice of the product of x plus 2, 4x, 2 square 4 equals to 244. Now these are the like terms and these are the like terms. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 4x plus, here 4 is minus 244 is equal to 0. Then you know that 2x square plus 4x minus 240 equals to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. You know that x square having 2 which is more than 1. But here at this stage I want to stop you. You are thinking that it is needed to do the multiplication by 2 to 240. No. In each term, in each number, 2 is the common one. So, we have to create this equation as this. If 2 is the common one, after dividing by 2 to each term, we will get x square two cancel, 2 2s are 4, it means 2 and minus 120 equals to 0. So it becomes the quadratic equation. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation. Positive, negative, you will find here positive, negative, then positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive at the last moment. Then you have to decide the first even natural number, and if you add the number 2 in it, you will get the next consecutive even natural number. So this is the homework to you. You have to solve this question. If you can do it, after it all the questions become very easy to you. So students, I want to stop here and do your practice time to time. Just open your notebooks and see the previous solved questions and answers. Now it is time to say you goodbye. Take care, you, yourself and your family. Thank you very much. We will meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.